today we're on tour with the company, and because we did residency work during the pandemic with the dance company and the other dancers, the underclassmen here at Everett High School, we just had to stop by and get in the studio and meet everybody in 3D finally, and do a master class based on non-traditional partnering, which is a staple in our company. It was really fun to drive up today and go, oh my gosh, they're in the new space, and actually teach class in the brand new dance studio. It's very beautiful. I love that this has turned into an actual relationship with Everett High School, and the kids here are awesome, and their teacher Clara is amazing, and I'm really curious to watch how this will just naturally grow and develop into things in the future. I think having a fully integrated curriculum in K-12 setting is critical for sending our kids into the 21st century. The learning skills and the environments that we have to create in order to send them into the 21st century, which is where they are growing up, right? We've done a lot of disservice to a lot of youth by getting them ready for jobs that were, for the 1970s. And the critical thinking skills, the ability to experience working collaboratively in teams, thinking on the fly improvisationally, understanding design aesthetics, understanding critical thinking, understanding how to evaluate something in a way that is not mean-spirited but life-giving. They used to be called soft skills, but they're the reasons people are being hired and fired right now. So I think that having integrated arts curriculum is critical for the full development of both hemispheres of the brain. And we obviously, to get through our day successfully, we need both halves.